This is a dragon sculpture multimedia music fountain with fire jet in Dubai Global Village. It applies multimedia control system under the lights and perfectly combines lighting, music and water performance together. The focus of this fountain is the dragon sculpture. We added a few springs around the dragon to create a feeling of dragon swimming. We sprayed fire jet into the dragon's mouth, achieving the effect of dragon swimming and spring fire, which received unanimous praise from customers and local tourists.